Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, how are you today? Hopefully it's fine. My name is Calvin Setiawan. I am grade 9 Diamond. My absent number is 7. Now I will reading a descriptive text entitled My Room. My room, my room is my favorite place in my house. My room is in second floor, next to maybe sister room. My room is white, like gray. There is big bed inside my room where I sleep. Every night I put some picture on my desk. They are my family picture, my picture with my friend, and my picture with my parents. Luna, a perfect card. I also have there where I put up my clothes. Inside my room it's not big, but it is the best place. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.